I changed the indicators on the front and back of my motorcycle to LEDs. However, they started flashing rapidly because the existing relay wasn't compatible with LED lights. At first, I had trouble finding the best way to access the relay in order to replace it with the one I purchased from AliExpress. Instead of removing numerous bolts and bike components, I discovered that I could simply fish out the relay from underneath the passenger seat. In the image below, the red-marked parts indicate the components that need to be removed for proper access to the relay, which is time-consuming. After swapping it with the LED-compatible relay, the rapid flashing issue was resolved. I used some double-sided tape to secure the relay in place underneath the seat. I hope this method proves helpful if you ever need to swap the relay on a Kawasaki Z1000. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or advice, feel free to leave a comment. It's a great way for both me and others to learn new methods.